Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue in Asphalt Legends Unite, the dreaded connection error. If you're having trouble getting online or staying connected, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive into some quick and easy solutions. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet source. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. If you're on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve connection issues. Next, run a speed test to ensure your connection is strong enough for online gaming. If your speeds are low, consider moving closer to your router or contacting your ISP. Step 2. Fully close Asphalt Legends Unite by swiping it away from your recent apps or task manager. Wait a few moments and then reopen the app to see if the connection error is resolved. Next, go to your App Store and check if there's an update available for Asphalt Legends Unite. If there's an update, install it. Developers often release patches to fix connection issues and other bugs. Another thing you can do is to clear cache for Android. Go to your device's settings, select Apps or Application Manager, and locate Asphalt Legends Unite. Tap on Storage and then clear cache. This can resolve temporary issues without affecting your game data. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling the game. Long press the app icon and select Uninstall. Go back to your App Store, search for Asphalt Legends Unite, and install it. If none of the above solutions work, reach out to the game support team through the in-game support feature or official website. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.